following video is a Haas VF2 CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2012. This unit came out of an educational school, is in excellent condition. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're going to start off by jogging the axis. Back there, we're going to start with X-axis. Our Y-axis. And our Z. We're going to go ahead and do a tool change. Tool 1. That's tool 2. Now we'll go ahead and do a spindle test. That is 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. That is 5,000 RPM. And that is 8,100 RPM, the maximum RPM for this machine.
Again, the preceding video is a 2012 Haas VF2 CNC vertical machining center.